In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Pixel to your Squarespace website in just a few minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketer, integrating Facebook Pixel can greatly benefit your online presence by tracking visitor interactions and improving your advertising strategy. Step 1. Log in first. Log into your Squarespace account. If you're not already on the login page, navigate to Squarespace and click Login. Choose Continue with Google if you prefer a single sign-on method. This makes it easier to maintain consistency across multiple platforms. If you're already signed into Google, Squarespace will take you directly to your dashboard. Locate your website and click on it to open the Site Management area. This ensures you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites. Step 2. Access Marketing Settings. Next, go to Settings in your website dashboard. This is the control center for your site where you can manage various features. Within Settings, click on Marketing. This section contains tools that help optimize your site's reach and engagement. Here, look for Metapixel and ads. Clicking on this will take you to the page where you can set up your Facebook pixel. Step 3. Add your pixel ID. To proceed, you'll need your Metapixel ID. If you don't have one, create it through Meta Business Manager. Once you have the ID, enter it into the designated field in Squarespace. This allows your site to send visitor data back to Meta for analytics and advertising. Step 4. Complete integration. Finally, copy the data link provided in the Pixel setup. Paste this link into the data feed URL field in Meta Business Manager. Doing this enables dynamic product ads and enhances ad personalization and targeting for your campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully connected Facebook Pixel to your Squarespace website. This integration opens up new possibilities for understanding your audience and expanding your marketing potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Happy marketing!